The renowned French physicist Léon Foucault passed away on February 11, 1868, at the age of 48 in Paris. Foucault's life was cut short, likely due to a rapidly progressing case of multiple sclerosis, which began to manifest in 1867 with numbness in his hands. Jean-Bernard Léon Foucault, a French physicist born on September 18, 1819, made significant contributions to science, but he is best known for his revolutionary demonstration of the Earth's rotation using a pendulum. In 1851, Foucault created a device that would become known as the Foucault pendulum, providing the first direct visual evidence of our planet's rotation. Foucault's experiment involved suspending a heavy iron ball from a long wire, allowing it to swing freely in any direction. He first conducted this experiment in the cellar of his home in Paris, and later, with the support of Louis Napoleon Bonaparte, he was able to showcase his pendulum on a grand scale at the Panthéon in Paris. The Panthéon demonstration used a 28-kilogram brass-coated lead bob suspended from a 67-meter-long wire. As the pendulum swung back and forth, observers could see that its plane of oscillation appeared to rotate slowly over time. This rotation was not due to the pendulum itself changing direction, but rather the result of the Earth rotating beneath it. The rate of the pendulum's apparent rotation varies depending on the latitude of its location. At the North Pole, a Foucault pendulum would make a complete rotation in about 24 hours, while at the equator, it would not rotate at all. In Paris, at a latitude of approximately 48.85 degrees Nens, the pendulum's plane rotated clockwise at a rate of about 11.3 degrees per hour. Foucault's pendulum experiment was a sensation, drawing large crowds of Parisians eager to see this visual proof of the Earth's rotation. The simplicity and elegance of the demonstration made it accessible to the public, effectively communicating a complex scientific concept. Beyond his famous pendulum, Foucault made other significant contributions to science. He invented the gyroscope, improved methods for silvering telescope mirrors, and made precise measurements of the speed of light. His work on eddy currents, now known as Foucault currents, also proved significant in the field of electromagnetism. Today, Foucault pendulums can be found in science museums and institutions worldwide, continuing to captivate audiences and demonstrate the principles of physics and Earth's rotation. Foucault's legacy as both a scientist and a science communicator lives on, reminding us of the power of simple yet ingenious experiments to illuminate profound truths about our world.